Creating summary reports from multiple jobs. Prior to estimating a new job, it is valuable to review similar jobs of the same scope. This allows us to compare materials and labor, as well as breakouts within the job. This video will show us how to review similar jobs and combine the jobs into a summary report to see commonly used material items. Beginning from the left sidebar, we'll go under Job Information and then click Master Project. In this example, we want to see all restaurant jobs. We want to determine if we want to combine the jobs, compare them, or analyze how they look compared to the job we are about to do. To do this, we first want to filter by job type. Above the job type column, in the white area, we have a search field. We'll type in restaurant and press enter. We will see that it brings up all of the restaurant jobs. Let's say that we want to combine the larger size restaurant jobs data into one summary. We can do this by hovering our cursor over the square footage column's header, and then clicking the drop-down menu arrow. That opens a menu of options. We then select Sort Descending. Now we can simply select the jobs that we want in our summary report by clicking the corresponding checkboxes in the Select Job column. Now, if we look at the toolbar above our list of jobs, we see a few options. To view a summary of the selected jobs, click View Summary of Selected from the toolbar. The View Summary of Selected window appears. It shows us all the items from the 3 jobs that we have selected. We can see all the pieces, parts, and unique items for these jobs. At the top, we can see the 3 jobs included in this report. Okay, looking at the listed items, we see that the green ground wire appears 3 times. That's because there are 3 different items, sized as number 6, number 12, and number 10. To export this report, go to the toolbar in the window and click the Tools drop-down arrow, and then select Export as Excel Spreadsheet. The spreadsheet will be saved, and then we can close this window when done. Going back to the Master Project screen, notice that the toolbar has 2 other options: View User Stats of Selected and View Bids of Selected. View User Stats of Selected shows how well our estimates are doing. By clicking on it, a window appears, and here we can see how many takeoff items are included, the estimates that were part of this job, and their counts. Click the X to close the window. The first option, View Bids of Selected, opens a window that shows that this job only had a base bid, and the same is true for the other 2 jobs. There were no alternates. When finished, click the X to close out of this window. Okay, let's look at something else. From the left sidebar, go to Maintenance, look under the Items subfolder, and then select Item Stats. In the Item Stats screen, we can see all items used in the last 12 months. The time period can be changed if desired. We can sort the list by job frequency by clicking the Job Frequency drop-down arrow, and then sort by descending. This shows all the items used within the job and how many jobs they have been used on. For example, 19 jobs here, 19 jobs here, 18 there, and so forth. To see which jobs are related to these items, scroll to the right where it says Job Name List. We can move it to the left to view it alongside our items. We can move it by clicking the column header and dragging over to the left. Looking at the job stats allows us to see where an item is being used, giving us a heads up for similar upcoming jobs to ensure our inventory is stocked. It also helps us to set up deliveries and can be used to negotiate additional discounts from our vendor. As we can see, Connect allows us to see the jobs information we need. We can drill down further by querying any of the column subjects shown above by typing what we are looking for into the search field above the corresponding column. To remove any queries, we can click the Filter function from the toolbar, and then click the Clear button from the Filter function's available options. Thanks for watching this Conest tip video. Please like and subscribe to our channel to get more tips like this from Conest Software Systems.